Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ashok Gaikwad, working as an assistant teacher in English School Padegaon, Taluka Kopargaon in Ahmednagar district. Friends, today we are going to learn how to write an appreciation of the poem Hope is the Thing with Feathers. It is from my English course book Standard 9th. The activity is for 5 marks. As we know that in question number 3B in poetry section, you have to solve the activity based on an appreciation. You have to write it by using the points such as title of the poem, name of the poet, a rhyme scheme of the poem, figure of speech, anyone, and theme or central idea of the poem. Friends, there will be a question like this. Read the following poem and write an appreciation of it with the help of the points given below. 5 marks. Friends, the poem will be given in your activity sheet, so you will find very easy to find out the name of the poem and the name of the poet. So let's start, and you should be ready with your pen and notebook and write down the appreciation in your beautiful handwriting. So let's start. Students, initially write the heading of the activity like this: appreciation of the poem. After that, start your answer. First point, title. The name of the poem is Hope is the Thing with Feathers. Second one, name of the poet. The name of the poet is Emily Dickinson, or you should write the name of the poetess Emily Dickinson. Third one is a rhyme scheme of the poem. The poetess has used a rhyme scheme AB, AB. Next one is figure of speech. In this poem, alliteration, metaphor, and hyperbole is used. And last one is theme or central idea of the poem. In this poem, poetess refers to hope as a bird. Poetess describes the importance of hope in our life. According to the poetess, hope, the little bird, nests in our soul. It helps everyone in the difficult situations, and it nothing demands in return. Thus, hope plays a vital role in our life. Friends, you have to solve the activity like this, and I'm sure that you will get out of marks 5 out of 5. Friends, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. Once again, thank you very much.